Hi, I'm Elizabeth Gould, the CEO and co-founder of Codex. We take the best raw talent in South Africa and train them as software developers by having them work on real practical projects with mentors from the industry. We're a school that runs like a dev shop because we believe the best way to become a coder is to think and work like one from the very beginning.
And I'm Emma Dix, one of the directors of Innovate South Africa. We inspire young people to build practical solutions to problems that they face in their own communities. Our program, Code for Cape Town, sees young girls building web solutions to problems that they face every day in their own lives.
The world needs tech talent everywhere, but with 1 billion people just getting online here in Africa, the skills shortage in tech is so acute as to be a crisis. Some of the talent who will build Africa's digital tomorrow comes from its top universities, but it's also found in some of its roughest high schools, if you know where to find them. And we do. Codex has partnerships with community organizations and computer training centers and townships who send us their best people. But what we don't have is enough girls. In our first pilot class at Codex, we had 1. Most of the partner companies we work with have none at all, and we're committed to changing that.
There has been a tremendous movement worldwide to bring girls into tech. Here in South Africa, there are major barriers to overcome. Youth, and most especially girls, don't see themselves as the powerful instruments of change that they could be. Code for Cape Town gives girls a glimpse of the power that they have to create solutions in their own communities.
We know Code for Cape Town gets results. They find the girls while they're still in high school and then mentor them over time to keep them engaged. That's why we've decided to team up with them to run a program over the Christmas holidays to help us find talented techie girls for Codex's next class starting in February.
The Code for Cape Town program is short but intense. Right from the start, we show girls the possibilities of what they can do with tech. We build really solid foundations using Code Academy's curriculum, and we take the girls through a rigorous human-centered design process in which they design what they're going to build. They then apply the tech skills that they've learned and they start building something. The girls learn how to pitch and present their ideas and articulate what they've built for their own communities.
So our first goal is to raise $7,500 or 75,000 Rand to run this program in January. It will cover the cost of our trainers, equipment, and transport costs for the girls, as well as the cost to run this campaign. For the girls who make it through and get accepted to Codex, they'll need scholarships through our nonprofit bursary fund of $7,500 in tuition plus $900 in transport and living costs throughout the year. So we'd like to raise $84,000 to fund 10 girls to go through Codex in 2015.
We know that there's a strong community committed to bringing girls into tech. We're here on the ground, working with girls in some of the toughest and poorest areas of Cape Town, showing them the skills that they need for their future. Some of them will go on into university, some of them will enter the tech industry immediately, and some of them hopefully will become entrepreneurs.
But all of them will get the skills and confidence to be able to chart their own futures. And that's one thing that coding teaches that can never be taken away. So please support our crowdfunding campaign to help a new generation of African techie girls become coders. Help us help them code their future. Thanks so much.